Diggity hey, diggity hey, diggity hey, diggity hey.
Coffee's cold, the steam is long gone. Just like the spark you used to carry on. The wallpaper's peeling, a faded shade of grey, matching the words you never learned to say. You check the clock, but time don't move the same when no one's left to call you by your name. And it's a bitter pill, a heavy crown, watching the world while you're slowing down. The fire's out, the house is way too quiet. You're trading your dreams for a peaceful riot. Mirror doesn't lie, though you wish it had. You're just standing there, old and sad. Diggity hey, oh, oh, oh. Diggity hey, oh. Diggity hey, oh, oh, diggity hey. There's a box of photos gathering the dust. A promise is broken and hinges turned to rust. You remember the lights and the roar of the crowd when your heart was fast and your voice was loud. Now you're counting the cracks in the hardwood floor, waiting for a knock on a locked up door. It's not the wrinkles or the silver in your hair, it's the weight of the silence hanging in the air. You've got all the time you ever wanted now, but you forgot what to do with it somehow. And it's a bitter pill,